All right, folks, today we have us a new winner for Stupid Contractor Award. And this is really a stupid one. Okay, so this is a flipper house done by unprofessionals. This is why when you get a home done by a flipper, you want to make sure you do something, work with somebody who's reputable. But anyway, this is what we got. I wanted to share this support system. So look here, they got this. They're trying to support this floor here, going down here. I'll back up a little bit. And you can see here, so this 2x4 is sitting up here on this here 2x4. Well, that's really not really holding too much at all, but look, it's not even secured down here at the base. But it even gets crazier as it goes down here. Look at this one. We got a little bit of air support, you might call it, because there's a lot of air wood underneath here. I have split wood there. Look at that. That is just hurt. Look at this. Look at that. Do you see that split right there? Huh? Right there. Do you see that? Oh, come on, man. If I may use somebody's verbiage there, this is really pitiful. Anyway, hey, they won. They won the Stupid Contractor Award. Give them credit for that. Thank you, folks, for watching our videos. Hope this has been helpful. Give us a call. Galloway Building Services. We're here to make sure you get what you paid for. They're not. They're not getting ripped off. They are. And the job's being done right. It ain't even starting to be done right. Wow. Okay, we're just too stupid. Gotta go. Love you. And thank you for watching our videos. Hey, hit like and subscribe. Share with your friends. We greatly appreciate it. And you could let other people know what you learned from watching our videos. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.